If you don't have any strippers or you're thinking of getting some new ones, let me kind of tell you the difference between these two styles and why I might recommend one over the other. Both of these work great, but if you're looking for something that's just super quick, or if you have a lot of wires that need stripping or you need to strip them all at the same length, this is the way to go. You just make the adjustment here for how long you want it to be. You stick your wire in and then you just push down like that. You get perfect cuts every time at the exact length you want. Works really, really well. The advantage of this style is I think it actually works a little bit better for your larger Romex wire. So if you're doing electrical work or you need to add an outlet or something like that, the nice thing about this too is after you're done stripping the wire, you can feed the wire through and you can actually bend it. So if you're trying to bend a wire around a screw, you can use this tool to do it. It also has a couple different ways you can cut the wire. Then on the very tip here, it kind of has some pliers. This isn't as quick and easy as these strippers are, but it has nice notches here so you can put your wire in with the insulation, kind of judge about how big it is, just clamp down and pull, and that's it. You can make really precise cuts with this as well. It's just not as easy to reproduce the same length of cuts as it is with this. If you do a lot of work with electronics and you do a lot with wires and you need to strip wires a lot, I would recommend this. It's just so quick and easy. If you're doing more house electrical work like adding outlets or something like that, then I would recommend this. This overall is more versatile. So if you don't have any strippers at all and you're just looking to get one pair, this is probably the one I would recommend you go with. If you think you're going to do a lot of work with wires and you're going to need to strip a lot, or if you do electronics for your job, then I would recommend this. And in fact, I would still recommend you get this. I think you should probably only get these strippers if you already have a pair like this and then you have both. If you're only going to get one, this is the one I would recommend you go with. But I can't live without this style either. Really nice. Both of these are really nice. This is quick and easy. This is a bit more versatile.